Hello and welcome to my video. I had the idea of a poster with a pun on luxury and cherry. This is the second part of the series. Here I make a first rough sketch of a U-lock. As I don't want you to get bored too much, I'll speed up the video. I think I prefer a more realistic design of the shackle. To break the silence, I have a few words to say. As you know, the entire poster was made with Inkscape, a free and powerful tool for vector design. The guys from Inkscape made an extraordinary job, and I'm so grateful for their work. I tried to shade the shackle in multiple segments, but I did not like the transition. So I started all over, this time with a mesh gradient. Mesh gradients work better on straight objects, so I undo the rotation. I have to adjust every single node of the mesh. It is tedious, but in the end, it rewards me with the cleaner look. As you see, there are many different approaches to achieve one's goals. And if one way doesn't work for you, don't give up. Take a step back and find a better way. I think most of this design process is fiddling with gradients until you get the right look. It may take its time, but I'm convinced it's all worth it. To bridge the waiting time, I have a few words on my own behalf. If you like my idea, and if you want to get a copy of the finished poster, I'll leave some links to my Spreadshirt shop in the description. And that's it for this part. Thank you for watching. I hope you check in again.